Sullivan specialise in the integration of uninterruptible power supplies and supporting systems to support and protect your business. We design, integrate and maintain critical power systems utilising market-leading UPS systems and our in-house engineering team to ensure precision and professionalism. Since 2005, our systems have provided critical power protection to data centres across the United Kingdom and beyond. No matter the scale or complexity of your business, we offer reliable, flexible and efficient solutions to keep your power running and protect your assets. Our unique facilities set us apart from the rest. We invite customers to join us for an immersive and personalized experience in our demo data center, which features a number of live and working systems and racks. At Sullivan, we show rather than just tell. All customers benefit from industry-leading training services from our experienced engineers following the installation of equipment, so you can learn exactly how your system works. Our UPS solutions are designed with your unique business requirements in mind. Our team can work with you to develop bespoke switchgear to support your systems, all tested in a controlled environment in line with IEC 60439 to mitigate the risk of incompatibility and downtime. Over the last 13 years, we've established a reputation as the leading authority in critical power protection. From concept to completion, our in-house engineers are dedicated to providing expertly engineered power protection you can count on. Sullivan, Critical Power Integration.